another video tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a blending stump at home. Yeah, you heard that well. It's possible to create this home, so don't worry about this if you can afford that. Everyone we're looking to draw realistic, guys, so it's not really necessary to working with this professional supplier. So I will show you today how to create blending stump at home. To create blending stump at home, guys, we need something like this. Newspaper, paper roll, we need this cutter, of course sandpaper, or you can use this. First of all, choose one of these corner, guys. Everything to do is to try to roll this paper. I do my best. So we open again, and as you can see, guys, the paper is curving. We start again, guys. Try to roll the paper as tight as you can. Check for the empty gaps inside, guys. It's like you roll a cigarette. People who smoking know about this. Okay, again we're checking for gaps. Now my paper become harder and harder. For better rolling of the paper, just pull the paper outside and keep this trained and move very slowly to the other direction. You need to feel the paper like a stick. And today, guys, I will show you how to create blending stump number 2. If you need bigger number, you just need to roll more paper. Okay, when you feel paper harder, like a stick, as mine, you need to feel where it's hard. So here we need to cut off, and of course maybe something like here. But before to do this, make sure you roll very tight the paper. Don't let any gaps. So repeat this procedure with the paper till the paper is become very curved. And now you have like a stick. So just make the stick harder. So now we keep this for a while, and we need a piece of roll paper. Broke a little bit paper. Put this cellar taper. It's very sticky, so that is good. And now we're taking stick we made, and we need to put on this. And now just roll just a little bit, because the tape is very sticky, so this helps to become harder. I have a stick now. Just play with this. So let's remove unnecessary parts. So for this I'm using cutter. I'm looking for harder, and I will cut this. And we have like a stick here. We need to remove the other side. But guys, make sure the paper is very good rolled, because you don't need any empty gaps. Now I have the small stick. So the only one thing now, we need to sharpen this blending stump. We just roll a little bit more, like the paper to compose inside. And now is interesting part. We're taking sandpaper, or you can have this, you can use this. And I will show you how to sharpen this very nice, like I sharpen my blending stumps as well. So always, if you sharpen a blending stump after it's full of graphite, just keep the sandpaper and move just a little bit, but make sure you rotate the blending stump till you sharpen. So you will see all graphite going on the sandpaper. I have here already sharp, and let's try the commercial one. This is blending stump replica, so very easy because this is new paper. If you see it's not sharpening very well from the beginning, you can use this cutter and use like a pencil, sharpening just a little bit. And now, guys, we need to remove these small pieces of paper to become sharp. So very soft on the sandpaper. Also, guys, if you roll better the paper, you can sharp easy. So if it's not sharpening very easy, that means you didn't roll very well the paper. Okay, guys, that's it. Now let's see how it's work, if we can use this blending stump. Let's test it now. So I have the original one and my replica. Okay, so let's see how it's working. We try with HB. We shade just a little bit. Only to prove this is very good working. I'm doing one more time. I'm using Canson Bristol paper. Now we try first the original one. Of course it's blending. And as you can see guys, I'm taking the graphite on the blending stump. This is brilliant. I'm always using. So let's try my one. Looks is working as well guys. I'm gonna try it on darker grade now guys. This is 6B grade. First of all, we're taking the original one, okay? Also guys, good advice for you if you wanna draw a portrait, and when you're blending with blending stump, try to blend from the middle to outside. And of course, when you're full of graphite pencil, change the side. That's the original one, and now replica. So remember guys, if you like my tutorials and my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell for notification to be notified when my video comes out, and because I will come in with more tutorials. So for me both are the same. Now we can add more details with eraser if you want to draw white hair. Everything is perfectly, and now you know how to create a blending stump home. Let's try now on a project I did a long time ago. So let's see how to blend. I'm not going to use this original one because we know it's working. Let's suppose I have this beautiful boy and we try to blend this area of the nose. Of course, very light. We're using HB grade. Always guys, remember my tips for realistic drawing. Sharp always your pencils. Keep pencil a little bit flat in your palm, as I keep in here. It's very good position for the realistic drawing. It's not scratching your paper. And try as much as you can, keep your work clean. Always the people asking me how I can do this, how I'm working clean. I try to keep my work clean. That means I'm not eating when I'm draw, I'm not drinking, and as I told you in my latest tutorial, try to don't talk too much because you will spit on your paper. So let's try the blending now. That's brilliant guys, isn't it? It's working very nice. So yes, it's possible to create blending stump at your home if you can afford to buy from shops. That's all for now guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you want to know more about supplier from realistic drawing, click and subscribe my channel, and don't forget about the bell to be notified when my video comes out. So now it's easy to create blending stump at home. Thank you very much guys, bye bye.